Alright guys, so what we did today is we pretty much just brushed the frame with some wire brushes, and what Gafu's doing right now is that he's painting the frame with some frame paint, and what I'm doing over here is I'm just finishing up, taping up so I can put paper over the back windshield, so because we're gonna spray this with Raptor, so we don't want to get the windshield all full of Raptor, so we're gonna do that. And right here guys, don't even worry about it, fix that and we'll put some etching primer, then shoot the Raptor. So right now let me just finish this guys.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I already started spraying on the frame. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna finish up spraying the whole thing. There's still some spots where I missed, so I'm gonna go over it, and so the rust won't come back and mess it up all over for us. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna start spraying wherever I need to spray. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done spraying the frame paint on the frame. It looks pretty good. We went over it 2 times, but we had extra paint, so we went another 3rd time, and it came up pretty good. So now for the next step, so let's get to it.
Alright guys, so Gafu finished painting the frame already, and I already finished putting the paper, well, covering up the window. What I'm gonna do now is just shoot the Raptor. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot this line, come this way, and shoot down. We're not gonna do anything over here. We're just gonna do from here inside, from here down. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we pretty much finished Raptoring already. As you can see, this dent right here, this dent, it really doesn't matter because we measured the bed over there, the new one that we got, that we're gonna put on top of the truck. So you won't even be able to see it. We measured how much it would, where it would be up to. It's gonna be up to here, so that dent really doesn't matter. It'll be covered by the bed as soon as we put it on top of the bed. Oh no, correction, on top of the truck.
And then also you guys were gonna put a toolbox on it, right?
Yeah, so you won't really even notice it at all.
You won't even be able to see it.
Alright guys, so we let the paint sit there for about 2 hours. It's already dry, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put on the new shocks, which are these. So let's get to it.
What the fuck? Pull! Damn it, careful. Pull, careful. Help him, Rolly. Really, with your hand? Oh, good, good.
Alright, so we're pretty much done with the shocks. Right now what we're gonna do, it's already late for us, so real quick we're gonna put on the diesel tank, and then for tomorrow we'll finish up with the truck. So let's just get to it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. What we did is we took off the rusted bed, we treated the frame, we painted the frame, we took off the diesel tank, we cleaned it from the inside, we put it back on. We also cleaned the filters for the diesel, where the pump is at. We also replaced the new shocks, which are these. They look sick and we all love them. We also wrapped it, the part of the cap, which came out looking nice, and that's all we did for today. So once again guys, keep watching and like and subscribe.